All right, welcome to two-handed shallow kettlebell swing. And from the side. All right, so the kettlebell swing is a basic kettlebell exercise. And what's really great about this exercise is it trains you to utilize your power center, which is your hips. So whether you're moving forward and backward or more on a horizontal plane, you want to come from your hips because that's where the power is. Now, a few details on this is that in order for your hips to generate the power, there's a few things that need to happen here. One is, if you're coming up and you notice that the bell is pointing down like this, that means you're not utilizing your hips and connecting your hips to the bell. So you're basically connecting energy from your hips through your body, through your arms to the bell, and that's what we want. So if you find yourself going like this and the bell is down, that means that you're not transferring the energy and you're using your upper body. This is not an upper body exercise. This is a core, glutes, legs, kind of full body exercise, but definitely not arms. So how do you train yourself to do that if you're having the problem of that? One way is you can throw the kettlebell. So you literally throw the kettlebell and you do it with your hips. You go here and if you're throwing with your arms, you're not going to be able to throw it very far, but if you're throwing it with your hips, you will be able to throw it further. One more little detail here is breathing. I find breathing is really important, and also tension. To get the breathing right, I like to keep it simple and just go in on the down and exhale, inhale, and they're kind of fast, okay? One detail on the hips, watch how fast and hard the hips are driving forward. So the hips are driving forward and the knees are straight. So inhale, exhale, and then we're gonna root the feet into the ground so that we're rooted when we're doing this.